About to take a trip, 3 hours there, another 3 back. It's a 6-hour drive, I'm coming home with 14 racks. I was 15, on that black top knocking hard off. I grew up in them jets like G baby up a hardball.
Ooh, that was hard, that was hard.
What's the deal, y'all? It's the boy J Elite, man. I'm back with some more fire reaction content for y'all. Before we get into all the festivities, gang, make sure y'all smash that like button for me, man. Help the video get on the algorithm. Help more people see the video, man. Y'all want more people to see the boy's beautiful face, you feel? Make sure y'all drop a comment, man. Leave song recommendations and I'ma keep doing them, you know what I'm saying? And last but not least, gang, make sure y'all sub up, tap the bell notification to join the gang. We turned up over here, man. We are turned up. You don't want to miss out on the, you know what I'm saying, the litness. We going up this year, you feel me? And yeah, we vibing. So yeah, tap it. Today on the agenda, we got Ot7QUANNY, you feel me? Dog talk. My boy Buddha sent it to me this morning, you feel me? Shout out Buddha for the recommendations, my brother. And nah, man, I heard the little beginning part, you feel me, to see what it was like. And nah, I feel like it was worth reacting to. So we are going to see together, family. We are going to see what bro had to say. And I haven't heard of bro before today, so you know what I'm saying? We gonna see what bro had to say, man. You might get a new fan today. Let me see.
And what would you say was one of the biggest lessons you learned so far when it came
W interview off the porch. That's W's. That's W. Wait, what did she say? What she say?
And what would you say was one of the biggest lessons you learned so far when it came to being in the street?
W answer. W answer. W answer. We see it. Good trophy. That joint's busting cat. That's hard. That's hard.
I like cash, money, yeah, that's all I know. I am not a scammer, you want some, and you can call me though. It's just one eye, he disappeared, like where Waldo go. I'ma have him drop the school block, before I break her back, I hit the track and break the work down. I just bought 210s, I'm going straight to Per Town. Niggas that ain't feelings, go get some money, pull your skirt down. I feel like Lamar Jackson running for the first down. I was signed to the streets before I heard a little dirt. You don't want to feel what I got inside this child, yeah, this shit hurts.
You fuck with me. You fuck with me, man. Give me that fucking army you're gonna play with. I take you off the fucking house.
Bitch, I'm in the field, calling plays like the Columbine. I saw my son birth certificate with all dollar signs. I'm about to take a trip, 3 hours there, another 3 back. It's a 6-hour drive, I'm coming home with 14 racks. I was
What it? I like that. I like that. He's talking. He's
like
talking.
I saw my son birth certificate with all dollar signs. I'm about to take a trip, 3 hours there, another 3 back. It's a 6-hour drive, I'm coming home with 14 racks. I was 15, on that black top knocking hard off. I grew up in them jets like G baby up a hardball.
Ooh, that was hard. That was hard.
All this cash on me, niggas think I sound a bad boy.
Nah, I like his flow on this, gang. It's like he doing what he gotta do. I like his flow on this, you know what I'm saying? And what he said, he's chatting, cuz. He's chatting. I don't rock with cuz. I rock with cuz. Hold on.
I just made it through the camp. All this cash on me, niggas think I sound a bad boy. I can get you 2 for 1. This shit like cat dog. I don't like to drive, but I pull up and drop the bag off. Before I break her back, I hit the track and break the work down. I just bought 210s, I'm going straight to Per Town. Niggas that ain't feelings, go get some money, pull your skirt down. I feel like Lamar Jackson running for the first down. I was signed to the streets before I heard a little dirt. You don't want to feel what I got inside this chopper, yeah, that shit hurt. You know where I'm at, I'm in the trap, yeah, I'm a trap, I can't chase a bitch, I'm chasing bags, yeah, I'm a bag getter. I hang with the vultures and the cobras, they be snaking shit. Told my mom I wasn't coming back, but I still pay the rent. I feel like Rich Porter, I leave the game, I know he still gon' love it. I was out of town like all month, my pockets filled with money. To my bankroll, my bitch caught me, said I'm tripping out. I think I'm going money crazy, shit, I need a big amount.
That was hard. He said said talking to. What did he say?
I know he still gon' love it. I was out of town like all month. My pockets filled money. Talking to my bankroll, my bitch caught me, said I'm tripping out. I think I'm going money crazy. Shit, I need a big amount. I like cash, money, yeah, that's all I know. I ain't not scared if you want some you just call me though. That's just one eye, he disappeared, like where Waldo go. I'ma have him drop and see a block, you know they all gon' go. Before I break her back, I hit the trap and break the work down. I just bought 200 tens, I'm going straight to Town. Niggas that ain't feelings, go get some money, put your shirt down. I feel like Lamar Jackson running for the first down. I was signed to the streets before I heard a little dirt. You don't wanna feel what I got inside this chop, yeah, this shit hurt.
That was hard. That was hard. That was hard. Boy, my allergies are tweaking, gang, so chill on me. But nah, hold on. That was hard. I can't lie. I'll get out like a solid 8 out of 10 because I feel like a majority of it was like, not even majority, like half of it was like repetitive, you feel me? But nah, it was just the hook, you feel me? But nah, like overall, like the verses and what he was saying, he was chatting. He was chatting, a little storytelling, you know what I'm saying? He was talking his talk, bro. I'll get like a solid 8 out of 10. That was like a cool 7.5, 8 out of 10, you feel me? I like that jam. I'm gonna see, like, I want to hear other songs from bro. So if y'all know, if y'all tapped in, drop some songs in a comment. But nah, like, I'm tapped in. That was hard. That was definitely hard. Bro's nice for real. Bro's definitely nice for real. But nah, that's it to wrap up this video. Before we dip, gang, make sure y'all smash that like button for me, man. Help the video get on the algorithm a little bit more. Help more people see the video. Make sure y'all drop a comment, leave song recommendations so I can keep doing the songs y'all want to see. And last but not least, sub up, tap the bell notification so you know when I post, and drop some more bangers, man. All the hand movements, nigga. Yeah. And until next time, Jiggy Lee Count.